Now, another thing I want to cover is some of these alternative ways of getting to the one chord. And so our one chord here in the very first line is B flat. We've got C, F to B flat, 2, 5, 1. So think of the song Satin Doll. Got this change of A flat, D flat to C. Now, this is a 2-5-1, kind of a reharmonization of a 2-5-1. But if you think about the 5 chord, that's a G7. The tritone substitution is D flat. And so we can use the 2 chord that would normally precede a D flat chord. That would be A flat, right? If we were doing a 2-5-1, say in G flat, we'd be going 2, 5. And since this is our 5 chord, we can move to C. All right, so in the key of B flat, we want to go F sharp, B to B flat, all right? So I'm going to go F sharp, B, all right, F sharp, B to B flat. Now, this is not going to support the melody, at least not in this spot. But if you're soloing, it will give you kind of an outside sound. You know, playing outside is like if you're in D minor, and then all of a sudden you throw in a bunch of black keys. You know, that's an outside line because I'm using a bunch of notes that doesn't really fit the chord. But if you use this kind of reharmonization, it will sound outside, even though it really isn't. So, all right, it sounded like it made sense. All right, but it's very outside of the key of B flat. And, you know, if you're just reharmonizing the F chord to be like an F altered like this, all you do is kind of put the minor 7 in front of it like that. Now, on the B flat here, and I believe one of the charts from the real book shows the way to get to E flat would be this way. B, E, B minor, E7 to E flat. Now, if you're going to use both of these ideas at the same time, they're going to crunch up on each other. Let's see what happens. So I want to go to B flat here, but I've got to go to B. All right, so now I've got a whole bunch of stuff that's going to sound outside. Now, where else can this happen? And this is another common place now for it to happen, is when you get to the D7, going to G minor. Let's play our D7 this way. All right? Now, bear with me here. The tritone substitution is A flat. See? So we've got an A flat chord. What is the minor 7th chord that would precede this new 5 chord? It would be down here, E flat, A flat. But then we're not going to D flat, we're going to G. All right, so check out how this works. So you see, it doesn't really support the melody. E flat minor, it's like a minor 13 there, so it kind of supports it. So I'm just using the Mixolydian scale for A flat. Right? I guess that's the D flat scale, because this is a 2-5-1, right? 2, 5, that typically goes to D flat. So that's the scale I want to use, though I'm going to G minor. So I've got to change my scale there at the last minute. Right now I'm using D flat, and then I'm going to use, back to whatever I'm using for G minor. Blues scale, Dorian mode, minor melodic ascending. Sounds good with the minor 6. I like that. Now that time, I moved the progression forward a little bit, so on A minor 7 flat 5, I just skipped it and just went directly to the E flat minor, and then had a whole bar of that, and then a whole bar of D7, or A flat if you want to think of it that way. All right, are you thoroughly confused? Like I say, these are kind of advanced concepts. If you were following along pretty well and starting to understand some of the easier parts of this video, stick to that.